Hi guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making mini chocolate chip muffins. I am really excited to try this and it's going to turn out amazing. So what you'll need will be cinnamon, flour, baking powder, applesauce, milk, chocolate chips. I have half a cup here and then just like maybe a quarter cup in a different bowl. You want those separated. Melted coconut oil, granulated sugar, and vanilla extract. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. So first what you're going to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And then we're going to whisk together all our dry ingredients. So flour, baking powder, granulated sugar, and cinnamon. Okay, then we're going to whisk together all our wet ingredients. So our applesauce, our applesauce, milk, coconut oil, and vanilla extract. A 24-cup mini muffin tin, and now I'm gonna take this just had the coconut oil in it, so it's okay. Let's see. Then let's see what a tablespoon does. Maybe a little less than a tablespoon. Yeah, about just a little less than a tablespoon in there. We're going to put these in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to start with 9. I'll see you guys when that's all done. Okay, so they're just finished. And I checked them with a toothpick and they're all good. These look super good. So you want to let these sit for about 10 minutes. Once they're all cold, we can take them out. So I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Okay, so now it's time to take them out. Let's see. I'm going to open this and get a small spatula and just scoop them out. Careful of the all the chocolate chips. Then you don't smush them.
Wait, get out of the camera so I can do a quick little.
No, because I'm not looking. So I won't know what you did until I edit it.
Wait, is it on pause?
It's on pause. It's on camera. Did you do it?
Yes. I know yet. I know yet.
Actually, why am I whispering? There's gonna be a spell. Are you doing a van?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so these are all done. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!